As the seasons change and temperatures drop, let's take a look at some common issues, essential checks, and maintenance tips that can help you tackle heating season from start to finish. Early on in the season, you're more likely to see equipment problems that stem from long periods of non-use. Fall is a great time to stock up on pilots, which are prone to going out while a system isn't being used during the warmer months. When people start up their heating systems again as temperatures drop, they might find that the pilot light won't stay lit or has issues igniting, requiring service. Pilot problems are particularly common in older systems. Check out our Boiler Parts Finder tool to find the right replacement part for your system. It's also a good idea to keep an eye on expansion tanks at the beginning of heating season. Over the warmer months, when the heating system is not in use, an expansion tank can develop internal issues. If there is a slow leak or internal corrosion, the bladder inside the tank might get damaged. As heating season continues, it's time to check on thermostats and sensors for possible maintenance issues. Continuous use and dirt and dust accumulation can lead to calibration drift, meaning the display temperature isn't the actual indoor temperature. Later in the season, wear and tear from continuous use might present other issues like leaks or efficiency drops, particularly in pumps and boilers. Pumps circulate heated water throughout systems, and prolonged use can cause wear and tear issues like decreased flow rate or noises that become more noticeable over time. Continuous boiler operation can affect the boiler's efficiency and reliability for a number of reasons. Over time, minerals in the water can form deposits inside the boiler, potentially causing scale buildup or blockages. Extended use can lead to corrosion within the boiler or its components, especially if there are minor leaks or if the water's pH level isn't optimal. Whether heating season's just starting or you're in the home stretch, you can shop for all your heating season essentials at supplyhouse.com. And make sure to subscribe for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.